Divyanka and Vivek. So fans very lovingly call them Vivek.
Hi,
Yes.
hi
Hello,
everyone.
hello everyone.
Finally India forums.
Yeah,
हम आपके साथ हैं.
Long
We have
overdue.
been, yeah, we have been planning for this for a very long time.
And your fans have been waiting on India forums.
You know, India forums, I would like to say this. I think it's been 12 years or 11 years something जब मैं इंडस्ट्री में आई थी और एक ही मीडियम होता था जिसके थ्रू हम हमारे फैंस के साथ बातें करते थे, उनके फीडबैक्स मिलते थे, and it used to be so important for us because there was nothing else. There was this Facebook. Only वो पर्सनल प्रोफाइल हुआ करता था, तो पेज भी नहीं होता था.
Facebook was very personal.
Yeah, so and मैं तब Facebook में इनफैक्ट मैंने हर तरह के लोगों को मैंने उसमें ऐड कर दिया था उस ज़माने में because I wanted to be in touch with my fans.
Right.
And India Forums was the only way. So मेरा तो बहुत ही deep connection India Forums के साथ में. Now let's go ahead.
Okay. So how are your practices going on? Top 3, you are in top 3 now. So practices must be really tough, right?
Yeah, so what they've done now is the competitive week is obviously over. We are through with that. But the last 2 weeks we had 2 acts to prepare. Now going forward, we've got 3 acts to prepare for the final, for the finale episode, which will be a 3-hour episode on Sunday.
Saturday,
on the 25th. Saturday and Sunday. Yeah.
So basically 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour. It will be divided in 2 days.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know
Like
that.
3 hours है, लेकिन वो 1.5 hour 2 दिन है.
Okay. So.
Since you both came on actually so that you both can spend time together. So what new things have you both discovered about each other?
A lot of things really. I have realized that I keep telling her. There are things that I tell her, there are things that I don't tell her. Few of the things that I've discovered about her is a strength, is her willpower, is the never give up attitude, which is very inspiring to see that in your partner because it's amazing. Because I've always longed for positivity in life. I have always just surrounded myself with positive people around me, and I just can't. I go a lot with the vibe. If I enter a house, if I'm renting a property, and I enter, and if there's like a negative vibe, I will not take
And
it.
I would like to add, he's a very good judge of people. So
Yeah.
I don't have this in me, but he does. And वो यहाँ जब vibe की भी बात करें, I don't know how, but he gets the vibes and it's really nice. This is something I've discovered
That is
in him.
gifted actually.
Yes, it's a gift.
I think
Very
it's
rare
I think
to
it's
have.
hereditary. It's from my father. It's from my
Even
father.
his mother. मम्मा वहाँ पे कुछ उनको फील हो रहा होता है, बेटा तुम ना इस बात को लेके केयरफुल रहना बेटा, और पता चलता है लाइफ में एक्चुअली कोई होने वाला होता है या हो रहा होता है, नहीं तो कैसे पता लग जाता है.
Yeah, so I just because I've always longed for it, and I didn't realize that I could find that in one person. I don't need to search, I don't need to keep hunting that everywhere I go. But here is this person who I have who I ended up marrying, and she's going to be with me through thick and thin all my life, and she's an epitome of positivity, and strength. So then I'm sorted now for life.
My gosh, sweet. Could you do some homework at home? Like such a lovely speech you prepared.
I can talk.
Yeah, you
No,
really
it's
do.
about
It's your turn then.
it's about just expressing.
So, wow, it was good.
Inspiring. Impressed.
Yes, I'm impressed. ये पक्का याद करके आया था कि आज मैं बीवी को पटाऊंगा.
कुछ भी मत बोलो.
So, विवेक पे क्या क्या चीजें मुझे पता लगी. He's a very good dancer. Did you know that you're that good of a dancer? Did you know?
No, I didn't
Not
think.
really.
No, but you know what?
You were a good Bharati dancer, of course. You had a lot of energy. But did you know that you could do all those antics that you did here?
No, I didn't because see, I had some degree of confidence because I've always been very athletic. So that's about it really. But I didn't think that I would come this far with you. But mostly it's to do with her because if she had given up after her back spasm, which had taken a toll on both of us, psychological pressure. If that had happened, then it would have been done. Done and dusted. We would have continued. But because of her strength, because of her willpower, we sustained and then we worked
I
extra.
think it's vice versa. Like I give him strength, he gives me strength. There are times when I start breaking down. But then just that look in his eyes, and I'm sorted. I want to bounce back. I want to come back and dance with him, relish every moment with him. So
Different couple goals to all our fans.
that was really, he has been my pillar of strength till now. It's because of him that I've got that push. Otherwise it gets very tough after a daily soaps shoot, and I always feel sleepy when I come here. But whenever I enter the rehearsal hall, I see his face. Automatically, the smile comes on my face. It feels as if I'm just meeting my boyfriend after a very long time. I always get that feeling.
What is one performance which is really close to you both? One
All of them.
performance on
Which one is
really
close
close
to
to
you?
your heart.
The one which is very close to my heart. That's a tough one. I really love Malwani. I love him.
Malhari being the obvious one.
Is he copying me?
Malhari being the obvious one, but I like the Psycho act.
I know you love the psycho one.
And I like Helen and Shamiji's.
Oh
act मुझे बहुत
yeah. Even I love that one.
Yeah.
अगर वो कल पूरी कुर्सी नहीं खिसकी होती ना, अगर
Yeah, we could have scored a 30 on that.
Yeah.
अगर वो थोड़ा सा
वो
miss
जो
out
था
हो
हमारा act Helen and Shami, it was like perfect. इसलिए मुझे बहुत दिल तकलीफ हुई उस एक कुर्सी खिसकने में, क्योंकि वो perfect act था. बहुत मजा आया था ना उस वाले हमें ना, मतलब उसमें डांस करने में मजा आता था. जो रिहर्सल हम लोग जब कर रहे थे, हमको हर रिहर्सल में मजा आता था. ऐसा लगता था हम लोग कोई रेट्रो पार्टी में पहुंच गए. We used to enjoy it so much.
Yeah.
Great,
So,
great, great.
चलो.
Hi, this is Divyanka Tripathi and you're watching IndiaForums.com.